Preamble. And so it begins, your future. Unwritten, unknowable, unexplored. Limitless possibilities, yours to shape. You live in the most exciting time ever. You will experience it all. Success and failure. Love and fear. Joy and sadness. Harmony and discord. Elation and frustration. Serenity and turmoil. Certainty and doubt. Order and disruption. And that's just in one day. Before all that you will know and feel and do and create in that future, before all the amazing people join you to achieve the impossible, before tomorrow becomes your legacy, come the choices you must make. It's time to discuss what are the toughest choices you face as you lead yourself and others into the future. Your choices are where your future begins, and how you decide is as important as what you decide.